Nice opening series down in Mississippi. That's a tough place for us the last couple of years to win. It's a really big pitcher's ballpark down there, but bats really swung really well down there. A hold from 1 through 9 contributed offensively. A couple of hiccups that we had down there were we need to throw some strikes at times where we threw too many base on balls, along with our defense one night let us in. And you look back at the series, we're happy we won 3 of 5, but at the same time, we could have won all 5 because the 2 we lost we had leads in. But we had a long grind. We got there last Monday, had 2 or 3 days sitting around from Arizona, played 5 games, and I know our guys are really excited to get to Knoxville and get in the area and get settled in to live, and looking forward to our home opener tomorrow.
Buddy, can you talk about just the optimism you like?
Well, you could tell when we went to Arizona back February 16, 17, 18, somewhere that we had organizational meetings, and all the scouts and all the minor league people were there. Development people, and you could just sense everybody's tone of voice was, this is the time we're going to make a move. And I think a big part of that goes to Theo and Jed. They said 3, 4, 5 years ago they were going to be patient, fans to be patient. They were going to try to get enough good players corralled and in the stall with the Cubs organization to where not only contend 1 year but over a period of time. And I think being voted the minor league organization of the year, picking up Lester, and just that patience that they've done in our scouting department's done a phenomenal job, not only with Bryant and Schwarber and these guys, high picks, first-round picks, but within baseball, the trades at the pro scouts, once you get in, you're trading a guy to get some other minor league players or a big league player here and there. It's been tremendous. So we haven't missed too much in any of those areas, and when you do that, you're getting enough horses put together to run the Kentucky Derby, and we're getting to that point.